Hello you guys, welcome back to DIY Dreams, and today, because of the holidays, we're going to be doing a Christmas craft. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Now on to the video. So to start off, I've just gone and taken my wreath, and I started to hot glue all of these little flowers on it, and I found this big strip of vine, almost, fake vine, it's fake, and I'm just gluing that around it as well. I also got a kit of baubles, and I'm going to use all of these. There's some pine cones and some acorns, and there's all it's all sparkly and glittery and stuff. And all you have to do is you take your hot glue gun, and be careful, hot glue guns are very hot, and you just glue the little baubles around, and it makes it really pretty. Now to make this a lot less expensive, I have a pine tree in my backyard, and so I've just gone and snipped a few of the smaller branches, and I'm probably just going to glue some of this on as well. So I'm just going to wash it off, and then I'm going to glue it on. I'm almost done my wreath. I'm just going to find some spots on my wreath that look a little bit bare and fill them in. So for example, if you see a spot down here for example, I want to put a big bow. But other than that, I see some spots up here that seem a little bit empty almost. So I'm going to take little pieces that I trimmed before this, some leftovers, and I'm just going to put it there to make it look not so empty. And now, after a very long time of working on this, it's finally done. I think it's so beautiful, it just looks so good. So yeah. This year we have a couple decorations, so we have this one little tiny deer, and it's beside the bigger deer, and it's really cute.